Guess what? You will love it. NGZ 165 AI waterproof smart lock. You will love it. Oh my gosh. You will love it. Being honest with you, sir. You're gonna love it. Wow. AI waterproof smart lock. NGZ 165. You will love it. It looks so beautiful. Mwah. So you go, I love this look. Wow. So let's see the back here. You will love it. Wow. NGZ 165 AI waterproof smart lock. Either rain season, dry season, Harmattan, you will love it. You're gonna enjoy this look. And also, this is the lithium battery. Yeah, this is it here. The lithium battery. You're gonna enjoy this look, sir. Yeah, this is the mechanical key here. Yeah, this is the mechanical key, and the cylinder, everything is here. And also the manual, the mechanical key. Look at it here. This is the smart card, just like this. You will love it. Luxurious smart look. AI waterproof NGC 165. Thanks very much, sir. We appreciate. Don't worry, we are gonna celebrate this December for you, sir. Thank you.